morning, everybody. Beautiful Florida morning today. We're all strapped up. We're picking up a car today. It's a beaut. It's a beaut for sure. Got a lot of plans for what's about to happen today. We got a couple hours to drive, and you'll see soon what we're picking up. All right, on the way up here, about 10 minutes away. About 10 minutes away, we're in Woodbury, Georgia. Stopped the old quality auto parts store. Got the only thing we're gonna need to make this here barn find run today. It's gonna be some automatic transmission fluid. So we're gonna see if this thing rips. We're gonna need a couple quarts of those. And yeah, let's go see what we're working with. Look at that straight rig right there, dude. Mint. Hell yeah, brother.
That's wrong.
That's wrong?
That's wrong.
How many miles does it actually have?
137.
137? Do we believe him?
Yes, absolutely.
I believe
I swapped the clusters around in the Mustangs, and then this one added like 90-something thousand miles to it. Just before you hit the sign, is it engaging like it's supposed to?
Looks like it.
It's getting the air out of it still. Just get on it. Go for it.
Go for it?
Yeah, send it.
Going uphill don't do on this one, huh?
No, it will. It's got a lot of air bubbles in it, you know? Like we just put a bunch of fluid in there, so it's like it's gonna start hooking. I'd be very surprised if the transmission just decided to not work anymore.
You wouldn't be surprised?
I would be pretty surprised.
If it decided to stop working?
Yeah.
You have faith in it?
I have faith in this car. Lowered a little bit. It's also got custom exhaust on the side over here underneath the floor, like right there. Let's put more in it.
Let's put more in it.
Yep.
All right, she's still slipping a little bit, so we're gonna put a little bit more in there. Is that all we have with us? We might have to go back and get the last quart unless we already put it in there.
I think it's good. I didn't put the other quart in yet. I normally would add 2.5 if it's sitting like you had.
That's 2 right there.
It'll be okay.
Oh, dude. All the rocks we're running over is really gonna do a good job, like airing out the transmission fluid, you know?
Good. It's about half of it. Okay. It's just gonna leak out anyway. It'll catch up. It'll start doing it. Just needs some love.
We gotta get a video of you like down at the bottom of this little hill here, and the car's going.
Where do you want me to film from?
Pretty much right by that sign.
If the transmission just decided to not work anymore.
We going to the D, all right? D? I can try putting it in second gear, maybe.
Is it filled too much? Can that happen? You could put too much in it, maybe?
Can you put too much in it?
I don't know.
Possibly. Reverse works, though. We got no drive, but we got reverse, so I think the...
I think we push it forward.
Yeah.
And I can
hold the car. Hold it. So I can get out. All right.
Yeah, it's gonna have drive now that you get back in it again.
What?
It's gonna have drive now.
You think so?
I might.
Wouldn't that be some shit? God, it's just fucking mega flip.
I'm pretty surprised that it just quit like that.
I think we may have overfilled it. Alright, well, on the trailer she goes. It's alright, we were strapped for time anyways. We got about a 6-hour drive home. And I guess we can make it sooner than we anticipated. And then maybe someday we'll get to rip on the car once again. But for now, she's not a certified ripper.
She's certified and ripped.
Certified rip.
Yep.
Good morning. Back in Florida at the compound here. We got here a 6-cylinder 2000 Mustang, and it's got some things going on with it. It's definitely got a little character to it. So here she sits, the old green turd, the bean as we called it. There's no engine in it, of course. It's kind of just been a general parts car. But of course, one thing I do want to mention is all the harnesses are still with the car. All the bracketries and stuff for the 5-liter are still with the car. And you guys can definitely probably see where I'm headed with this. This car is going to allow us to V8 swap the V6 Mustang. So before we go any further, before we touch another finger on this car, we got to give it a deserving name. And I think the name that we're going to have for this car is going to be the General Hoss. So we are starting off the General Hoss project today at the KMJ Motorsports compound by getting it unloaded off the trailer and seeing if it goes into drive. It kind of gave out on us yesterday, but maybe we get lucky. Put in drive. Yeah, she's cooked, bro. All right, so we're here today with the donor car for the V8 swap V6 project, the General Hoss over there, and this project is going to start today. Getting this green bean turd out of its hole. Oh yeah, that's smoked. We're gonna need some air in the tires. This tire is definitely not gonna hold air. We got a couple things to do right quick before we can unbury this thing, but we're gonna get started today on that. We're back a couple months later with the old red V6. My brother Tyler here. This is his car, by the way. I don't know if we made that clear earlier. He's already been hard at work doing a couple things to this thing. Let me show you. So he's already done a couple appearance things. He threw the Mach 1 delete in there. He's got a splitter to put on there too. He found some sail panels that didn't have the roof rack in it. Roof rack's obviously off. I painted a set of side scoops for him. I think it looks a lot better too. So for you guys out there that own a performance red Mustang or Ford vehicle, there's actually something kind of funny. There's a spray paint out there that's very close to it. That's pretty easy to get at any corner store.
Really obtainable at Walmart. I went and bought it. I think it was like $6 a can. Rust-Oleum, gloss protected enamel, cherry. You gotta get the cherry.
Yeah, the cherry is like almost a perfect color match. This spoiler right here, I spray painted with that cherry. Threw a little 2K spray paint. The Spray Max.
Super chemicals.
It was the Spray Max, the nice brand. The clear coat is everything. Now we can still probably cut and buff it, make it come out a little bit nicer.
If you shut it and you match that.
Yeah, I mean
that's damn near spot on.
So yeah, the side scoops, spoiler. That spoiler's a different style, and the car came with it. Had like the 99 to 2000. Yeah, and it was black or something. Was it black or was it red?
It was black.
It was black, and then
With like silver painting coming off.
Yeah, and then the side scoops were also black, and they look kind of corny. And we're gonna get those painted soon. He also got the pony off of the hood as well as.
You're missing the main piece.
Yeah, put a pretty sick scoop on it. We don't know where the scoop came from.
We're doing a whole 94 swap, right? 94 harnesses, 94 motor, everything. So I went and did a little something. 94 GT Mustang badges to fit the look of it. I know people might make fun of me for badging my V6, but in my heart, it's a 94. Let's see this here. 94, 95 door handle harnesses are already in the car. I'm laying the body harnesses in today. So I stepped it up a little bit. So this is my alternator bracket right here. It's all nice.
Got that silver artery.
You already know. Let me bring out the big stuff. Let me see if I get the intake out real quick. Here we go. Got that brand new trick flow elbow. Brand new GT40 polished, well, to me at least, powder coated.
He's taking all the wiring harnesses out of the front of it.
All harnesses are stripped out of the car. Anything V6 related to the car is completely stripped. Actually, like I said, 94 door harnesses are actually in the car, so it's already actually starting to get the harnesses. 94.
Can't put 94, 95 harnesses in the engine bay yet because we've been looking at it. We've been thinking, hey, should we to spray paint the engine bay or not to spray paint the engine bay? And
believe it or not, Blake kind of hit me with it today, and we're going to go ahead and do it. So what's the point of having that nice, beautiful powder-coated 302, you know, with the chop going on, with this whole cruddy, brained old red paint? So we're going to hit that bitch with the 1-2 Scooby-Doo and get it all nice and, you know, red and matching the car, you know? This is what it is, you know?
definitely got some stuff going on up here. I hate it, and a little over there, but for the most part, this thing is looking pretty spiff, pretty shiny. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, while we were working on getting the engine bay painted and the car prepared, Tyler had been doing some powder coating and doing some wrenching, getting his little 302 ready to go inside of this car. Classic 302 setup. GT40P heads, trick flow stage 1 cam, and of course he's going to top it off with that GT40 intake he showed us earlier. It's looking pretty good. It's ready to go in the car. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video of the engine going in the car. It was right around the time that I hurt my back. But here's a couple photos to show you guys. Bam! Thing looks good in there, don't it? Anyways, he's going to get it all hooked up, set up, and we'll get into the first drive. Huh?